everybody. So if you are deciding that you want to do the project, stop laughing at me. Stop it. If you want to do the project for an extra quiz grade, here is what you will be making. So if you decide to make a larynx, this will be the finished product. Okay. So this is how it'll look, and you've got little attachments and little epiglottis there. So that's what that'll look like. And then if you're building the model lung, this is what your finished product will look like. It's pretty cool. So you can see we got a straw, some Play-Doh, balloons, and then here's the lung in action. So you can see right now the lung is deflated, and then you pull the diaphragm and it inflates, and this is how your lungs work. I probably look like a stupid head right now. I look smart all the time. Okay, so that's just a little overview of what you'll be making, and there are instructions on the assignment. So, best of luck to you.